What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when Siri is not responding or otherwise not working on iOS 18. First, let's verify your Siri settings to make sure everything is properly configured. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Siri. In this menu, navigate to the Talk to Siri section. Find Listen for Hey Siri and make sure it's selected. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Siri's voice recognition. This will help Siri recognize your voice commands. Once you've confirmed your settings, go back to the home screen and say Hey Siri to see if Siri responds. If you still aren't getting a response, try pressing and holding the side button to activate Siri manually. If Siri activates with the side button but not by your voice, the issue could be related to Type to Siri being enabled. Go back to your settings, scroll down to Accessibility, navigate to Siri, and ensure Type to Siri is disabled if you prefer to use voice commands. If Siri still isn't working, it's worth checking if there's an issue with your iPhone's microphone. Siri relies on your microphone to hear commands, so if your microphone is blocked or dirty, it could interfere. Examine your iPhone's microphone ports for any dust or debris, and clean them carefully if needed. You can also test your microphone by recording a quick video or audio to see if it's capturing sound correctly. If there's no sound in the recording, this points to a microphone issue rather than Siri itself. Next, let's ensure you have the latest iOS version installed, as software updates often include bug fixes that can potentially resolve issues with Siri. Open the Settings app again, go to General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. After your iPhone restarts with the latest software update, check if Siri is working by saying Hey Siri or pressing the side button. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting your iPhone. Restarting can clear minor glitches without affecting your data. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button until the Slide to Turn Off screen appears. Drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. Now press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo flashes back on and your device is restarted. A successful restart will fix any minor issues affecting Siri. Finally, if Siri is still unresponsive, you may need to reset all of your settings on your iPhone. This will revert all of your system settings back to their defaults, which can resolve deeper issues, but it won't delete any of your data. To do this, head back to your settings, tap on General, and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, select Reset and tap Reset All Settings. Enter your device's passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Once the reset is complete, try activating Siri again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.